Hey there folks! How's it going? Chef Oswald here, and I'm back to share with you a perfect recipe for New Year's Eve, our delicious carrots on a blanket. These are an amazing vegan option for appetizers on New Year's Eve, and I'm sure they won't disappoint. Let's learn how to make them, shall we? So here's what you're gonna need. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cook the carrots in water until they're just slightly tender. Don't let them get too soft or they might break. Once the carrots are ready, remove them from the water and let them cool for 5 minutes off the heat. In a skillet, heat up the coconut oil or olive oil. Add the carrots with seasonings, salt, pepper, and dill and cook until they're golden brown, about 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure all the carrots are coated with seasonings and oil. Now it's time to prepare the blanket for our little carrots. Unroll the vegan puff pastry, and depending on how many carrot rolls you want to make, cut rectangles from the pastry. Note that you shouldn't cut them too wide or too narrow. They should be just the right size so the carrot is visible at both ends. Wrap the carrots in the vegan puff pastry. Dampen your fingertips with water, press, and seal them well. Place the prepared carrots with the sealed side down on the baking sheet. Repeat until all the carrots are rolled and ready for the oven. Now, pop everything into the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the puff pastry is golden and crispy. Take them out of the oven and let them cool for 5 minutes before serving if you can wait. Serve with classic yellow mustard for an extra kick of flavor. And there you have it, my friends, our carrots on a blanket, perfect for an unforgettable New Year's Eve. Now that you've made it this far, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. Happy New Year and bon appetit!